Good morning, it's smoothie time. I get so excited about this. I drink a smoothie every single day without fail, and I get asked about it a lot. So about once a year, I do this. This is my morning smoothie. We're doing a mocha smoothie today. This is one of my favorites, one of my husband's favorites, and I start with the milk. This is coconut milk. I used almond milk for a long time, and then my husband found out that because of the lectins in almond milk, coconut milk, which is a healthy fat, has MUFAs in it, works much better for him. So we switched to that, and I really like the cold creaminess. And then I add in some cold brew because that's where the mocha flavor is going to come from. This is going to make about 3 smoothies, and I've got 2 cups of liquid. And then I start with all the additives that I use. Raw cacao, coffee, and chocolate make mocha. So, and it's not exact measurements. This is to my taste. You will discover your own taste. Raw cacao, just like cocoa powder. And then I'm going to add in a little collagen peptides. I've been using these for a while. I really like collagen. It's kind of like the new thing, and I kind of adopt new things to put in my smoothie. So a little bit of the collagen, and then I like spirulina. Now spirulina is loaded with antioxidants, loaded with protein, loaded with fiber. It's an algae from the sea, and it's pretty potent. So I'm putting in just kind of a scant tablespoon of that, and this is going to deepen the color, but no worries, it still tastes fabulous. And then a teaspoon of cinnamon for blood sugar regulation, and about the same of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. Love it. And then I do my favorite protein powder. This is my vegan vanilla protein. I get mine from Progressive. Use your favorite protein powder. A healthy scoop goes in. Now at this point, if you wanted to make it and set it overnight so it's quicker for you in the morning, do that. That's what I do on mornings that I commute. This is good to go. And then the next day, or right now, I load it with greens. I like spinach or kale particularly. Spinach, of course, really good for you. Also loaded with iron. And then I need a little bit of ice, and I need my frozen fruit. I add ice just for the crunch factor. You know, we start the digestive juices in our mouth, and if you have a little texture to crunch on, that helps with those digestive juices. And then fruit, I'm adding berries and cherries, lower in sugar, and of course they're great for you. I'm adding a mixture of strawberries and cherries, but you can also add blueberries. I have a mango ginger smoothie that I like, but at this point, all I do is blend it up and we're good to go. All blended and ready. So I'm over my, my prep sink here. Yummy. It's smoothie time. This is really good, and it will keep me full till lunch. It's fabulous. Give it a try and let me know what combos you come up with for your smoothie. Cheers.